Are you home alone? Houses are homes to people. They are also homes to lots of insects. Here are some of the creepy crawlies in most people's houses. Ants. There's a nice smell in your kitchen. Dinner is ready. Are there crumbs on the floor? These little pieces of food are great meals for ants. Cockroaches. There are often cockroaches in kitchens too. They can hide behind cookers and fridges or at the back of cupboards. Moths. What about your bedroom? Moths can fly into your wardrobe. They can make holes in your clothes. Spiders. You can find spiders all around the house. Time for a bath? Above the bath is a spider on its web. It has a great view of everything from that corner of the room. Woodworms. Have you got wooden furniture in your house? What about your living room? There are tables, chairs, and bookcases. Woodworm like these objects. That's not good. Your home is your castle. Have you got a clean and tidy house? If so, that's good. Bugs don't like clean places.